Assalamu alaikum and a warm good morning to all of you. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting the art of public speaking. My name is Saeed Anwar. I am from West Bengal, but I live currently in Ghosi for taking education. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today, I am going to tell you about the beauty of my Prophet of Allah, may Allah peace be upon him. I can't tell you how much beauty was my Prophet of Allah, may Allah peace be upon him. My Prophet of Allah, may Allah peace be upon him, was more beautiful than the moon. The Pooner said, चांद से तशबीह देना क्या कोई बात है? चांद से तशबीह देना क्या कोई बात है? चांद में तो दाग है और उनका चेहरा साफ है. चांद में तो दाग है और उनका चेहरा साफ है. How was the beauty of my Prophet of Allah, may Allah peace be upon him? Once upon, my Prophet of Allah, may Allah peace be upon him, went for a walk in Muzafar. He saw that there is a conway that has been set up camp, and they had red camels. My Prophet of Allah, may Allah peace be upon him, said, I want to buy this camel. The leader of conway was there. My Prophet of Allah, may Allah peace be upon him, said the leader, I want to buy this camel, but I don't have the price at this time. I will go at home and I will bring the price. Every person said, you can take a camel, you can take a camel, you can take a camel, and saying the beauty of my Prophet of Allah, may Allah peace be upon him. And at that time, they are saying at my Prophet of Allah, may Allah peace be upon him, until the Prophet disappear from their eyes. When my Prophet of Allah, may Allah peace be upon him, disappeared from their eyes, suddenly Amin asked, where did he come from? I don't know where he came from. Did he buy the paper? Did he buy the camel? Said yes. Did he pay the price? Said no. Do you know his name? Said no. Do you know his address? Said no. Is someone guarantor? Said no. How did you give your camel? Someone came whose name is not known, whose address is not known. We don't know where does he live. You gave away your camel just like he did not mention the name and he did not mention the address. What happened to you? One person said, you said that you asked for his name and you said that you asked for his address. I want. What happened to me? Oh, I was so lost in his beauty. I was so lost in his handsome that I forgot my name. I forgot my sin. As if Ala Hadat is saying, उन्हीं की बूमाए समन है, उन्हीं का जलवा चमन चमन है, उन्हीं से गुलशन महक रहे हैं, उन्हीं की रंगत गुलाब में है, वो गुल है लबाए नाजुक उनके, हजारों झड़ते हैं फूल जिनसे गुलाब गुलशन में देखे बुलबुल, ये देख गुलशन गुलाब में है, ये देख गुलशन गुलाब में है. One person said, oh, he has taken your camel and he did not pay the price. And he did not mention the name and address. One person said, you said that you asked for his name and you said that you are lost in his beauty. Oh, I was lost in his words. I was lost in his words. When he spoke, flowers fell from his mouth. The Pune Punjabi said, माजाब का कजला नैन भरे, वो शम्स का पटना मुख पे मले, है मीम का घूंघट चेहरे तले, वो अर्श का तारा आवत है, यासी की चमक है तातन में, ताहा का करिश्मा आखन में, वल फज्र का जलवा गालन में, वो रब का प्यारा आवत है, वो रब का प्यारा आवत है. One person said, oh, he has taken your camel and he did not pay the price. And he did not mention the name and address. The impression gave in the speech, the camel has been stolen. Suddenly a man's voice come from the tent. Be careful. No one should say the camel is stolen. I am guaranteed the price of your camel. If he does not pay, I will pay. People said, thank you, thank you. Someone recognizes him. Someone knows him. Woman said, I don't even know who was he. People said, why are you giving a guarantee? Why? Woman said, I saw from the tent, he has a such beautiful face. Cannot be a liar. Cannot be a liar. It was just being mentioned. Suddenly slave of my Prophet upon Allah, peace be upon him, came and said, who is it that has given my Prophet of Allah camel? Take this camel, take this debt, and tell me the price. Every person said, now lift the price, now lift the price, and now tell this, where is that handsome face? Where is that handsome face? Salaf said, come with me. All conway went my Prophet of Allah, may Allah peace be upon him. And the all conway returned as Muslims, subhanallah. The Punar said, ये नाज ये अंदाज हमारे नहीं होते, झोली में गट टुकड़े तुम्हारे नहीं होते, मिलती ना भीख हुजूर आपके दर से, इस ठाट से मंगतों के गुजारे नहीं होते, और बेदाम ही बिक जाइए बाजारे नबी में, इस शान के सौदे में खसारे नहीं होते, इस शान के सौदे में खसारे नहीं होते. It was the beauty of my Prophet of Allah, may Allah peace be upon him. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.